Clint, get under your desk.
Hold on. Look around.
Earthquake.
Away from the windows. Away from the windows.
I'm under my desk right now. We're having an earthquake. Good thing I got my fridge in here. I'm just gonna see if I can eat a little snack while the earthquake's going on here. Tasty little apple here while the earthquake's going on. The alarm's off. Does that mean the earthquake's done? This is how you survive an earthquake.
No.
Is anyone dying?
I think so. I think I'm dying.
Jared, get Steven CPR.
I can't reach him through this wall.
I'm pretty sure our cubicle's gonna fall down.
Maybe I should pull my...
Jared's gonna get crushed by all the food on his desk.
No way. I grabbed an apple from my fridge.
Sounds pretty good. I should have watched the apple on my desk before this.
You wash your fruit before you eat it?
Yeah, they spray it with wax.
Uh-oh. Is it over?
Okay, what did you learn from this? You look around to see what might fall on you? Keep food that's ready to eat. Seal your nostrils.
I think I'm good.
All right, you're good. It's all clear. Clear. Clear.
We survived the earthquake, and Kurt's office is getting raided. You alive over there?
All clear. All clear.
All right. Well, that's how you survive an earthquake.